What is up, boys? CryptoLimon back with another daily Bitcoin, ETH, and art analysis video, and we're at 51 subscribers. And let's begin with our previous trade. We took 41% trade on BTC, and now as the weekend approaches, I would like to tell you all not to trade a lot, and I'll show you why on the chart in a moment. If you want to take my trades, you can join my Discord server. It will be the first link in the description below. We will take all of these trades. We're on a win streak right now, so please consider joining that, and I'll have a tutorial on how to do it in the end. Let's start. So on the daily chart, BTC does look quite strong. It went down here but made an upward movement here, retested this support region, and it is moving up towards this resistance region now again. What we did do in this scenario is that we took a long round here on the 4 hourly. I'll show you that in a bit, but essentially it went down here, went up in this resistance around here. Now what BTC needs to do is the final move for this entire process to complete would be the final moment for this process to be complete would be for BTC to go up here and form this and turn this resistance range into a support range. Once it goes up like this and goes up and put this into this like a support range, and then goes up again and turns this into support range and then moves up, it will go to all time high essentially. But for that we need to take a couple of factors into consideration. That is going to be my confluence on USDT, which is going to be in the next slide. First of all, let's move towards the 4 hourly. In the 4 hourly chart, as you can see, yep, a very bullish 4 hourly chart. All the candles in the 4 hour closes have been bullish. So if it continues going up, I don't see no reason why it can't move up. The trade that I would suggest taking is a short from this position, which could be a risky short, but you could take a long position as well. I wouldn't recommend taking a trade right now because it is the weekend and you need to, go through the weekend because there is a lot of manipulation on the weekend. So I would not suggest that at all. You could take a short if this line breaks as well. If 67,000 range breaks as well, you could take a potential short around here if you're looking for a short position. If it breaks towards the downside on the daily, not even on the 4 hourly, and this would be essentially your stop loss, and that is a 5.5 hour trade where you would target this region as your first TP, this region as your second TP, and this region as your third TP. Mark this region on your chart. 67,000 breaking is your entry point. 4 hourly close below 67,000 would be your entry for the short. Your first TP would be at around 64,000 to 63,000 range, and your second TP would be around 60,000 to 59,600 range, and your third TP would be around 57,400 to 56,600 level. So that is going to be your TP, stop losses, and all of this combined together. Now what we need to do is add some USDT confluence. Now this is the actual reason why I've been stopping you all from taking the trade, and the essential reason for this is that USDT needs to break this towards the downside for further like this, and this would be the possible bullish scenario where BTC would reach all-time highs again. For that, the most important point that needs to be broken is this right here. If this green line does not break, we do not have an alt season right now. This is very, very essential to have an alt season, a higher Bitcoin season, and all of that shenanigans. So in order to have that, this line needs to break towards the downside. As we know, it is opposite to BTC movement. USDT goes down, BTC goes up. But I suggest there might be a strong, kind of like a support around here, and if it does take support and it moves up like this and goes to this, BTC would go down to essentially all our TPs, including this one that I told you in the short right now. So I would suggest taking no position right now. Wait for USDT to move towards the upside or the downside so you can have an idea of what to take. You wait for the confluence, wait for this confluence right here. Once this confluence is complete, I'm going to tell in the server right here, and if you're joining it, you would know when to take the trade. So if you're joining that, please let me know in the description below, and yeah, that is how you're gonna trade. Please wait for now, don't take any trades. As your influencer, it is my job to tell you when to not lose money as well. So if you move on to BTC liquidation map, yeah, there's liquidity higher up as well, 68,000 level. It would definitely go there, but there's also liquidity down here as well. So essentially liquidity is of no use for us right now as a confluence, but I would definitely suggest. Alright, so ETH has been going down a lot. I think it just captured a support region right around here. I have no idea what support this is, but ETH is somehow managing to stay up. ETH looks bearish as of the moment. Nothing special about ETH as well. If you took our sol trade, we missed our sol trade by a couple of cents around here, a couple of dollars, I guess. So $3, $4, we missed it by that, or we would have been in massive profits right now. But yeah, that's part of the game. Essentially, that is going to be our plan with BTC. And I guess so it's retesting this, but if it does break below this, we could go for a short depending upon what the USDT move makes. I will inform you all in the server, so if you've joined it, you're gonna get the update and you sign up with my link and you'll get that update. So what you need to do is open my Discord server for the verification. Tell me in the verified chat that you need to get verification too. Happy to be here, and I verified this guy. He's now a member of our Discord. And then what you need to do is that you need to go to access to trades, sign up with the BingeX link to trade forex or commodities or gold and all of my forex calls. But if you're trading on crypto, you need to register on VX, which is a good exchange. Also, if any of you are from the US, you can use this exchange as well. It offers the best rates in the market and is a compliance with SECP. This is a new exchange, so I like that in that regard because it is completely regulated, so it's safe to use. So that is it. That is going to be it for the video. Join us in the server below. I will update you all on this so you can take a trade over the weekend if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.